What's up YouTube, this is Christopher Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of 3 jerseys that will be worn by players in the next season. So as you can see, I was ordering the Manchester United jersey, Real Madrid jersey, and FC Barcelona jersey a few months before by my friend, and today, here it is. So I ordered jerseys worn by Rio Ferdinand, Xabi Alonso, and Xavi, as you can see right there. Great, isn't it? So now for the unboxing part. Nice. See that? Ferdinand. I was actually going to use the to add the patch, the BBL gold patch, but seems my friend didn't sell it, so it is. It's not player issue actually. Let's see. Okay, so the next one, this Xabi Alonso. Nice, isn't it? Well, the font is, to be honest, it's a bit weird for me. Uh, it's just really unique dibanding. Well. Okay. So next one is here. So as you can see, fly Emirates. It's no longer be win. Okay, so the next one would be Xavi Hernandez. As you can see right here, it's just amazing. And not a player issue actually. Well, I was hoping for one, but it's okay. So as you can see, it's the font doesn't really differ from last season, but for Real Madrid, the font seems to change from a very linear font to a, to be honest, it's a bit childish though, but I just like the font anyway. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.